Today I'm gonna show you how to make an egg fried rice, how we call in Japan, Charran. Stay tuned. Okay, let's do it. So first thing, you need a fry pan. Okay, you coat with a little bit of oil. Turn on the heat, not too much. Heat the pan, and then let's make 2 eggs today. Okay, put the eggs. 1, 2, then some seasoning. I'm gonna make it very simple today, okay? So just put a little salt. And a little pepper, just a little bit. So we're gonna do 2 eggs. So the measurement for the rice, usually I do 2 eggs for a bowl, like let's say 150 grams of rice. It has to be already cooked rice, okay guys? So you let it cook a little bit the eggs. Let's fry the eggs. When it's 3/4 to be done, okay, you don't put right away. You wait for a little bit. When it's around 3/4 to be cooked, a little bit more. Then we start to scramble the egg. A little bit more. Don't let it cook for completely. A little bit before it's done, then you put the rice. Give a good stir. And then the rice and the eggs is gonna mixture the taste together. Look good and tastes amazing. Very easy to make it. And you can make anytime, take like 5 minutes to make it. And you can use all the leftover rice you have in your refrigerator. So it's very, very easy. Okay, it's about to be done. Always keep stirring like this, you know, the flavor gets inside the rice, so the taste is really good. Okay, I'm gonna plate and I'm gonna show it to you. Okay guys, this is, as you can see, this is my egg fried rice. Perfect, like you have in restaurants here in Japan. Very easy to make it, and let's see if it tastes good. Really good. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy it.